Ring Wi-Fi-enabled video doorbell in satin nickel, works with Alexa. Works with Alexa to illuminate and send announcements to Echo devices when your doorbell is pressed or motion is detected, allowing you to hear and speak to visitors with two-way talk. Lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet, and PC. Sends alerts as soon as motion is detected or when visitors press the doorbell. Works on any home, with or without existing doorbell wires. Monitors your home in HD video with infrared night vision. Lets you check in on your property at any time with LiveView on-demand video. Includes lifetime theft protection. If your doorbell gets stolen, we'll replace it for free. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.